Hi, it's a Lipstick Gal. Thank you so much for watching today. I mentioned in a previous Get Ready With Me that my family and I were taking a trip to a friend's lake house. They have a beautiful, large property. They've invited us and a couple of other families to get together. It's the first time we've done this. We used to do it twice a year, once in the winter and once like late summer. But for the last 2 years, we haven't done it. And so for the last week, my family and I have been quarantining, as has everybody who's going, so that we can safely be together and not worry about, potentially getting ill. So we're getting ready. It's the night before. My hair is a little frizzy. My face is a little, makeup's wearing off. It's the end of the day. And by the way, I had a cooking accident. I was putting some meat into a hot pan and some oil popped up and hit me here, blistered, and then it sloughed right off and it hurt so bad. So I'm trying to not put makeup on it and keep some Neosporin on it just to get it to heal faster. So anyway, end of the day, I'll look a little bit of a mess, but it's time to pack my bag. I've had this bag here for, I think, a decade. It's really silly, but it makes me happy. The only thing I don't like is where it says like on fleek, and it's kind of like a big thing, but I got this bag. It's kind of like a little mini train case from Mimi Box like a decade ago. And all of the boba tea and the fried egg and like the little corgi, they just make me happy. So all the cute little kawaii things on here, even the My Little Pony, super happy. So this is what I'm putting all my makeup in. And I haven't really thought it through yet. Here's my goal. We're gonna be at the lake. We're gonna be doing activities outdoors. Everyone is really low maintenance, and I want to look like myself but in color. So I'm not going to be taking like a ton of like really involved makeup, just so that I can look like myself, just a little bit more perfected. All right, so the first thing I'm grabbing, I really have been loving this. This is the Beauty Pie color corrector for under the eyes, or Super Luminous Under Eye Genius. Love this. The other thing I can't be without is the Glossy Stretch Concealer. This has been a huge favorite for me since I picked it up. Really, really like it. I'm also going to throw in this. I'm still trying this, and this is the new Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Wear Foundation. I'm also going to take, where is it? My regular Double Wear, because mixing these two together get a little more coverage than this. If you want to look just like yourself but perfected, this. If you want a little bit more coverage, mix the two together and it's really great. So I'm gonna take both of these. I'm gonna need powder. I don't want to take too much. I think I'm gonna try and keep myself to just 2 powders. I'm gonna take the Pat McGrath Under Eye Powder and the Kosas Cloud Set. I'm gonna take that as well. I'm kind of looking at my whole stash here, and I don't want to be digging through my drawers for the rest of it, just what I have easy to grab here. All right, so concealer, foundation, corrector. What else do I need? I'm wearing this today and I really, really liked it. This is Venetian Red from Lisa Eldridge. I'm not wearing any bronzer, just a little bit of this here along with Lisa's highlight. So those are going in. I really want it to be easy, fast, either fingers or a sponge, and that's it. I think I'm also going to throw in the So Soft blushes from M Cosmetics, blush and bronzer, and the Living Luminizer. So these are all like super easy, super fast face products. If I'm thinking about brows, I have been living in the Glossier Boy Brow. This is the only thing I have in my brows today, and the only way that's possible is because I've been using a serum in my brows, and my brows are thicker, more voluminous and darker, and just a little bit of a tinted gel makes the difference. I am also going to take a brow pencil. This is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. This is the shade Neutral Brown, super easy. So those are the only 2 brow products I'm gonna take. And I think the only mascara I'm gonna take is this one. This is the M Cosmetics Pick Me Up Mascara. This is the mascara that I reach for when I want to have defined lashes, but not over the top lashes. Like today I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, just this, and only on my top lashes. And the reason I love this is it gives me just enough, not too much, and it comes off with just water. So easy to take off at night. I don't think I'm gonna be wearing a lot of eye makeup, but on the off chance that I do wanna wear some, I am going to take along 2 separate palettes. One is gonna be the Wayne Goss Pearl Eyeshadow Palette. I really like this. It's really, really pretty. So I'm gonna take that. And another one that I made for myself. This is one I put together of Sydney Grace singles. And my goal was to have, you know, 4 separate looks. So if you use just the shades across the top, you get kind of a rosy, pinky, but really metallic look. And then I have duos along the bottom. So my dark green duos, kind of my mid-tone brown duos. And then over here, I wanted to put in a dark brown if I needed something to give depth to anything else that I had going on. And then a lighter kind of highlight shade, but these together would also just be gorgeous. So I will leave all the names for these in the description box down below, but I basically have 4 eye looks going in here. I don't need that many, plus the other palette, but I'm gonna take them because I like my options. I was just thinking if that blush doesn't work for every single look I wanna do, I am gonna throw in this right here. This is the Pat McGrath Divine Blush, and this is the shade Nude Venus. It kind of goes with anything. Super fantastic. I even use it in the crease sometimes just to kind of tie my whole look together, a little monochromatic. And because I like that blush paired with the Divine Blush highlight that came out in that set, this one here is Golden Nectar. I'm gonna take both of these as well. We're gonna be gone for like half a week. I think all I need now, I have mascara, I have brows. Should I take an eyeliner? I'm gonna take an eyeliner. I'm gonna take the M Cosmetics Illustrative Liner because she's my fave. And I think all I need now is lip products. I wanna have really easy, low maintenance lip products that I can take with me. So I'm gonna stash them all in my little floral Lisa Eldridge bag. I'm gonna start with my 2 favorite lip liners. One is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Pillow Talk. The other is from Wayne Goss. This is Sepia. Those kind of get me through any neutral situation. And because I am taking a red, I'm going to take this one here. This is, I think, the shade Kiss and Tell from Charlotte Tilbury. So there's that. And then for a red, ooh, the Red Hot Red from Besame. Have been loving that. Ooh, where did I leave it? The shade that I'm wearing today. This is gonna be my super easy nude that I don't have to worry about. You know, do I have lip liner on? Is it slightly outside my lip line? This is the Super Lustrous Glass Shine lipstick from Revlon, and this is the shade Nude Illuminator. It's what I'm wearing right now. That's going. A lipstick that I recently purchased and I have been trying out is this one from Milani. They have a new matte lipstick line in their Fetish line of lipsticks. I do have one of their shiny ones, the Fetish ones, and the matte ones, the packaging is the same. But this one here is the shade Secret. It's a really pretty, just kind of powdery pink nude. I'm gonna put that in there. Ooh, I don't wanna go without my Glossier Ultra Lip. This is the red shade. This is the shade Fete. Love so much. You know I'm not gonna wear all of these lipsticks, but I just wanna have options. After doing my lip gloss declutter, I realized they all fit in this little jar here. There's not a lot of them, and for that I'm very excited. But I'm gonna grab the 2 that I've been reaching for the most recently, and these are both the same formula, just different shades. This is from Beauty Pie. This is the Wonder Gloss Collagen Lip Oil. My fave shade, this is the shade Jammy, gorgeous. And then they have the shade Sun Hazed that is just for summer, limited edition, but I love it because it's kind of like a nude, really sheer, but it's got a little sparkle to it, and not a weird glittery sparkle, kind of like an elevated, classy. When is sparkle ever classy? But I like it, and it's just enough, not too much, and I don't feel like a teenager. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw in 2 of the Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. One is my favorite kind of rosy nude. This is the shade Muse. This is a matte. And then my favorite of her luxuriously lucent lipsticks she just released this summer is this one here. This one's called Spirited Away. They both have kind of like that rosy tone. One is sheer, one is matte and like full pigment. So that should cover most of my bases. I usually pack more makeup than this, but I'm not going to. It's my lip products where I have way more than I could possibly need. So I'm gonna stop there. Oh, the other thing is I need makeup brushes. Okay, I'm gonna throw in Beauty Blender. For brushes, I'm just gonna take my Wayne Goss face set. I love these brushes and I need some eye brushes. When I'm putting on my under eye concealer, I have really been liking small synthetic brushes like this. This is the Airbrush concealer brush from It Cosmetics for, I think this is It Cosmetics for Ulta. Yes, so I'm gonna drop this in there. And then this is just a Beauty Pie Seamless Foundation Buffing Brush. And I have been using this, mixing liquid highlight and blush on the back of my hand, and then just tapping it in like this. And it gives me a really easy, fast application. So I'm gonna take this for my liquid Lisa Eldridge blush. No, I don't need all of these, but I love these. This is the only one that's not from Sonia. This is the Wayne Goss number 5. It's a little tiny pencil brush, but I love that. I have 3 brushes from the Sky Eye Set, the Jumbo Blender, which I love, the Flat Definer, which is great for my lower lash line or like my inner corner, the Mini Booster, which is perfect for a dark color that I want to keep in a really small and specific area. These 2 are from the Pro line. I have the Blender Pro and the Crease Pro, and then I have the Crease one. So I'm gonna take those. That should do it for me. I know there are gonna be some days that I'm not gonna wear makeup at all. Well, I'll probably just wear skincare, sunscreen, and a light sheer lipstick, and we'll call it good. And I probably won't even use like a third of what I have in here, but I like to have my options. The minute I take one of each thing, then I'm like, why didn't I bring? And then later I'm kind of kicking myself. So I'm gonna give myself plenty of options, but I'm not taking like 2 bags full of makeup. So I'll put the brushes in a different spot, but that's what I'm taking with these little lippies. I would love to know if you have been traveling, what sorts of products are you taking with you? Are you kind of looking for easy makeup, or are you looking for more occasion makeup because you're finally leaving the house, you're going places, you're seeing people? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribed. If you're traveling, safe travels, and I will see you again soon. Bye.